If you're looking for a good quality socket set that covers a range of sizes, the Mastercraft half-inch socket sets are a great option. These 24-piece socket sets are available in the metric as well as in the SAE range, which is measured in inches. The 12-point sockets in the metric set range from 10mm to 32mm, and in the SAE set range from 3/8 to 1¼ inch. Included in each set is a sleek-looking ratchet with a release button to change the socket sets easily. 2 standard extension bars, 150mm and 250mm, a universal joint for working at different angles, a sliding T-handle for manually driving sockets, and lastly, a speed brace with the rolling handle for driving in fasteners quickly. And they're all supplied in these steel carry cases, keeping everything neat, organized, and portable. These are just some of the socket sets available at Builders. For more product reviews like this, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.